the moment. This young gal here can wheel. If you remember right, she went upside down early on. I think that just made her more determined. Lakota Wilkinson starting to really open it up now. Weber doing a good job hanging on to the second spot. Alicia Bachman in the third spot. And Turbo Tanner. He is the rookie of the class. Just moved up. He's still trying to get things sorted out in his Ultramax chassis number 20. Tyler Weber is on an old Emick chassis. He's doing a fine job. Check out this young gal right here, Lakota Wilkinson, driving away. She's like on the Saturday night drive. Get her the newspaper, her bathrobe, and her slippers. She's just relaxing. She is just rolling. Into the remote, she wants to click the big screen on and see what's behind her. So how about her dad is Hooter Wilkinson. He put the tune-up on that 52. And boy did he. That thing is flat gone right now. Tyler Weber, a little loose there, coming off of turn 4. But Lakota Wilkinson right now, this is her show, and she's showing everybody why she's one of the best. Alicia Bachman right there. This young gal is always an... Oh, she's going to take a look at the inside of Weber. White flag one more time for Lakota Wilkinson. Let's see what Alicia's got up her sleeve. Pedal down. It's going to be a race to the flag. Let's see. How about it? Lakota Wilkinson's going to win it. Here comes Tyler Weber. Second spot.